Big news from the Enzlo factory. In this week's tips and tricks episode, I'm going to be talking about day trading and investing, specifically how to start and improve quickly. I've been trading for over 6 years now, originally equities as a prop trader in New York City, and as of the last 2 years, I've been primarily trading cryptocurrency. Looking back at my trading journey, I'm super grateful to all the mentors that have helped me along the way. But if there was one specific thing that I wish I put more time into right from the start, it would be documenting my trades. The power of exponential growth that comes from studying your past trades and properly planning out future trades is without parallel. This is why I have gone from a primitive paper and pen trade journal and have built a more robust, efficient, and educational Google Sheet trade journal. This Google Sheet template has been available for free to download and has been improved for the last 2 years. However, you probably know this, the more you do something, the more efficient you get at it. And unfortunately, the time has come where my Google Sheet trade journal template can only improve so much. That is why I and my company Enzlo have put our money and time where our mouth is. We are designing a completely custom trade journal platform from the ground up. This new trade journal is based on the tried and tested Google Sheet template. However, now we can provide a cleaner layout for faster data entry and more thorough statistics, which will help you better find and learn from your winning and losing patterns so you can improve your trading even faster. We will also be incorporating 2 new elements. Number 1, a community aspect so you can share and get feedback from all of your activities. If it's posting a trade, a watch list, a lesson, or any other post about something on your mind. You can also follow traders that you like and learn from their statistics as well. Don't worry, you can always make your account private if you want, but we do believe in learning from each other and encourage public accounts. There will also be a mentor program where you can subscribe to traders with proven track records. Subscribing to a mentor will give you access to their private content, such as trade reviews, watch lists, lessons, and anything else they decide to share with their students. If you think you got what it takes, you can also become a mentor after you build up a little bit of a track record, and then help other traders begin or improve along their trading journey. As a mentor, you'll also be able to give extra attention to your students and give feedback as your students post new activity. And yes, you can charge for your mentor services directly on TradeJournal. TradeJournal will be ideal for all types of traders, from more traditional equities and commodities traders to traders that have fallen off into the deep end and are passionate about trading crypto like myself. Right now, the TradeJournal beta launch is planned for sometime mid-August, but no specific date is available just yet. Enter your information into the waitlist form on this page, or if you're watching this on YouTube, first go to TradeJournal.co and you will be the first to know of any updates. I'll also personally be reaching out to you just to say hi and responding to your feedback. Looking forward to meeting all of you and seeing you guys on the inside. And before I forget, as of this moment, as long as you have a public account, TradeJournal will be entirely free to use. I'm not sure if it gets any better than that. Thanks guys for watching. For those of you who don't know, my name is Alex Winkler and my brother and I co-founded Enzlo Inc. together, where we tackle marketing, software, and educational challenges every day since 2013. Here on the Enzlo channel, we release a new video every Wednesday on a business topic that has been important to our company's success. Some of our brands include ViceOffers.com, an affiliate network for mainstream dating, gaming, and finance offers. RealYouTubeProfits.com, Heiko's course on making a living from YouTube. He's helped me tremendously in growing my own channel where I discuss trading and investing. ProfitableCryptoTrader.com, my course on trading and investing in crypto, with over 100 students on launch day alone. TradeJournal.co, the new SaaS application that we just talked about, which allows traders to learn from all their trades and other trades before, during, and after. You can also find the perfect trading mentor or even become a trading mentor yourself. TierCloud, a different take on email marketing by replicating more personal conversations. Learn about all these projects and more directly on our homepage at enzlo.com. Next week, you'll get Heiko. Till then, ciao, ciao.